welcome to my allotment. Today I'm going to be showing you how to plant chard and what you can use it for. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, if you could please do so, you'll get lots of useful updates all throughout the year. So the chard that I'm going to be planting and have already started off is Bright Lights chard. You can buy chard that's just green, but the Bright Lights one is just like really fun. It makes your food look more interesting. It actually, I think, has a better flavour and the kids love it too. It's a bit like rainbow vegetables or unicorn vegetables, so it goes down really well. So, as you can see, my chard from last year has bolted well and truly, so I'm going to be digging that up. So I need to replace it with some new chard. Now you can direct sow, and if you wanted to direct sow, you just do a small channel in the soil. You would drop your seeds in and you would just cover it with a little bit of compost. It's the same as you would do with carrots or beetroot or that sort of thing. I've got another video that you can watch about how to sow seeds directly into the soil. But I've started mine off in little modules and I've actually been using mine for like a fair few weeks now. But I'm going to be planting this in the ground now. So if you just lift it out, as you can see, I've been cutting some of the leaves off. It's quite dry, so I'm going to have to water it in. So you just lift the little modules out, dig a hole, really simple, drop it in and give it a good water. So I'm going to do 2 rows of 9 along this plank. It's really good to put something in so you've got a straight edge when you're planting anything, so that you plant it in a straight line, because despite your best efforts, it's not as easy as you think to plant in a straight line without a guide. So I've got the chard in, I'm just putting the last one in. As you can see, even the roots are pink, so it's really lovely stuff. Chard is very similar to spinach, and we consume a lot of spinach in this country, and it's actually one of the most chemically treated edible plants out there. So if you're going to grow something, this is a really good thing to grow, and also it reduces your plastic use as well, so it's kind of like a win-win all round. And you can use chard in exactly the same way as you would use spinach. So small leaves you can put in salads, larger leaves you can use like spinach and sweat it down, put it in stews. Even the stalks, because they're coloured, they actually have quite a nice flavour. So again, I've diced them up, I've put them in risottos. I've also used them in salads like celery. So it's really versatile vegetable. I can really recommend growing it. So I'm just going to put this last one in and I'm going to water them. Even though we've had lots of rain, you must still water all your vegetables in. So the other good thing about growing something like this is if you've only got a small space, it's cut and come again. So you don't, they keep coming, something like chard. So you literally cut the larger leaves and let smaller ones grow. So you've got a continuous supply of chard all throughout the summer, and it will probably even go into the autumn and maybe into the winter. But you can always start off another lot if you haven't. But if you've only got a small space, you could grow this in pots on a balcony. It's just so incredibly versatile. I can't recommend it enough. So I really hope that's been useful. And if you've got any questions, please put them in the comments.